What's up, boys? So today's video, we're going to be giving you a review of Reuzel's hair tonic. Alright guys, so let's dive into this review right here. So before I dive into my opinions and whatnot on this hair tonic, let's take a look at the label here. Reuzel hair tonic, guys. So pretty sweet little classic label. Packaging on this comes in a plastic bottle. You guys can see I've used quite a bit of this stuff. A very cool like blue lagoon color to this hair tonic. Super cool color. On the back we got our instructions and also ingredients, packaging, as well as distribution information, all that stuff, you know. So really cool, simple packaging on this guy, nothing too fancy. Alright guys, so a little bit about Reuzel, however you want to say it. So started off, you know, from the guys at SCALP in Rotterdam. This is their product line. SCALP, Len and Bertus are the two head barbers over in that barbershop over in Rotterdam. Now I'm sure you guys have all heard of SCALP now. If you have not yet, I mean, you must be living under a rock, because they have made it quite a name for themselves in the barbering industry and also, you know, the men's grooming industry. So I have used a lot of their products. I've tested out pretty much every single one of them, except for a couple of them, but very familiar with this hair tonic, guys. I will say that Reuzel makes pretty top-notch men's grooming products, guys. Their pomades, I mean, the pink Reuzel is probably one of the best, top 5 for me as far as pomade goes. But the regular hair tonic, because they also have a grooming tonic, which is a totally different product than this. I don't think they're very similar at all. So, but the Reuzel hair tonic is something that I use almost daily, guys. As far as being in the barbershop, I actually add a little of this stuff to my spray bottle to mist the hair, because it gives off a very good fragrance. And it's very light. So as you guys can see, let's get into that. The overall viscosity on this, it's very, very light, very watery, very similar to the Clubman tonic. If you have not checked out that review, check out this card, go check out that video. But very similar in texture and viscosity to that, very watery. No oil in this stuff, guys. So if you're trying to avoid high shine, oily products, guys, this is going to be a good one for you. Very good daily tonic to use. Now what I like about this tonic in particular, guys, is the smell. Alright, so this one is going to go up there as far on par with Lucky Tiger hair tonic, man. This stuff smells so good. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Very, very good smelling product. Every time that I use this stuff in the barbershop, man, it just smells so good. Every time I use this in the barbershop, there's someone that always mentions, what is that smell? Or, you know, oh, whoa, that smells good. What are you using? So the smell on this, guys, it is a very top-notch scent. Like I said, it smells really good, guys, but it does linger a little bit, but not too much, you know. But it can be overpowering if used too much, guys. So keep that in mind. That is the only little thing that I have noticed about this hair tonic in particular. Now, another thing that what I like about this stuff that Len and Bertus have done for their hair tonic is they've taken a lot of inspiration from the rock and roll rockabilly scene with all their hair products. SCALP, you know, has their own style. Really cool barbershop, cool style. I dig their stuff. Really good haircuts. So what the guys over SCALP primarily use this for, guys, or what I have seen, is that they use this mostly for refreshing the scalp, rejuvenating the scalp, and also if you have like an oil-based pomade in your hair to you know, kind of refresh the pomade and give it a little bit more life, that kind of thing, you know, with your build-up and recombing, which this stuff actually does work really good for that, guys. So I really dig that for that aspect of if somebody comes in with product in the hair, this really helps with, you know, breaking it down a little bit and making the hair a little bit easier to comb. So let's apply this stuff to the hair. I took a shower, but I did not wet my hair at all. So my scalp is in need of a refreshing, and also to, you know, just cleanse the scalp a little bit, because that's what this stuff is also good for, is refreshing and cleansing the scalp with you know, some of the products in here, the ingredients in here with alcohol. There's witch hazel in this stuff, horsetail root extract, rosemary extract, so nettle leaf. There's some good stuff in here, guys, that really helps with conditioning and moisturizing the scalp. So let's throw some of this stuff in. Like I said, it's pretty watery. And we're gonna get this stuff down into the scalp and really give you that massage, stimulate, and get blood flow to it. Man, this stuff smells so good. But let's add a little bit more. So tilt the head back, apply. It's very light in the hair. I would say zero shine, but it does give you, like, similar to the Clubman hair tonic, it gives you that like there's just a little tack to it. Basically, it's the only way I can really explain it, guys, is if you guys have not washed your hair and you got that little bit of residue in there, kind of gives you. That's what this stuff adds to your hair, I feel like. It's not really shiny or oily, just gives you a little bit more control and can tame down frizz a little bit. This stuff is a very good hair tonic, I would say. I remember purchasing this stuff as soon as I saw it hit the market. I was very stoked on their grooming tonic and also this stuff, because it's been a while since a company has come out with a hair tonic. It's usually an old school kind of thing. So it's really cool to see that there is some modern take on hair tonics coming out now. This is probably one of the best that have come out in a long time. Actually, a hair tonic is something that I would like to do one day. The one thing about this as well, though, guys, is that this one is a little bit expensive, okay? This hair tonic used to be a little bit cheaper, but now I can't even find it on Amazon right now. But you can purchase this on their website. I think it's like 17 bucks, 18 bucks, something like that. So it's not the cheapest hair tonic out there. That is one drawback. You know, when you compare it to something like Lucky Tiger or even the Clubman, you know, which is like 8 bucks. So price wise, a little bit on the higher end, I would say. You do get 11.83 ounces, which is a good amount. So it will last you a good bit, but keep that in mind when you're buying this. It is kind of expensive, and it is kind of hard to find right now online for some reason. I don't know if they're having a shortage of it or something right now, but Amazon is usually where I got it. I can't find it on there right now. If I do find it, I will leave the link down in the description, so be sure to check that out. Yeah, guys, so as you guys can see, it's like, it's added just a little bit of definition to my hair, gave it a little bit of like life, you know, back into it. Tamed down some frizz that I had going on up here. I haven't applied it to the ends here just because I don't really care to do that as much. I did brush my hair out, so it is kind of flat right now as far as my curl goes and my wave. This one leaves just like a little bit more of a residue on it after it's dried in the hair, and you can kind of feel it on your hands and like in your hair a little bit, but it's nothing that's too overpowering or crazy. But you can go overboard on a hair tonic, guys, especially something like this. So you want to use it sparingly when you are using this stuff, and you know, a little bit goes a long way. But really good product to use out of the shower again, guys. And you know, this is what it's done for my hair. It has longer hair. If you have a pompadour or something like that, gonna be fucking great for doing any classic style. If you're one of those guys who just likes to like get up and go, throwing a little bit of this after the shower will be great for you. Also, if you're a guy that doesn't really like to use any product in the hair, really good substitute for just like, you know, if you're adding water and combing your hair, you know, into something simple. Really good stuff for that. I would highly recommend it for that. Right on, guys, that's gonna wrap up my review of Reuzel by Skora. Again, highly recommend it. Smells great. You can't go wrong with having this in your arsenal. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, check out the remainder of my videos. And if you like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. Now there are going to be links in the description to my Amazon store, guys. I am an Amazon affiliate. I do get a kickback for anything that you guys purchase in those links. Just want to be straight up with you about that. A lot of good stuff in there, man. If I could, like I said, if I could find this stuff on Amazon, I will link it down below. But I do have some other hair tonics in, I think, the hair products section of my store. So check that out. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below, guys, if you think I missed anything about this product, or share your experiences with this, what you think about it. Also, leave any comments about some recommendations for future videos you guys want to see. I do love to read the comments, and you know, it gives me some good ideas. But right on, guys, stay fresh because you guys deserve the best, and we will see you guys next time. Take it easy.